Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Orbits. In this video, we are going to learn about the relationships in the Salesforce. Let's see what is meant by relationship. It means connecting two objects so that we can easily access data from one object to the other. The purpose of creating the relationship is to avoid the duplicate data, to maintain clear data structure, to build better reports and dashboards based on connected data. Generally, Salesforce provide three types of relationships. One is lookup and the other is master detail and the last one is the many-to-many relationship. Let's see each one of them in detail. Lookup relationship. In this relationship, two objects are just linked but they do not depend on each other. Even if the parent record is deleted, the child record can still exist. Let's understand this by using an example. Here, I want to create an employee record and I want to store in the department in which the employee belongs to. Normally, different employees works in different departments, right? Like HR, finance department, IT, sales, right? So, I want to store each employee record in their specific department. For that purpose, here I am going to create the lookup field, so it will act as a bridge between these two objects. Okay, let's see uh, this by going into the Salesforce org. So let's move into the Salesforce developer org. Here I am moving into the app which we have created yesterday. So I'm clicking on the digital orbit standard. Here you can see all the tabs which we have created. Here employees object is related to the employees tab and the departments object is related to the departments tab, right? So now remember this point over here. We need to create the lookup relationship only in the child object. Here the child object is the employee and the department is the parent object. So let's create lookup relationship in the employee object. In order to create it, click on gear icon, click on setup. Now select the child object first. So I am selecting the employee object. You can see the name over here. Click on fields and relationships. Click on new. Now what we need to select here? We need to select lookup relationship. Click on next. So it will provide the options to select the parent object. So I want the employee record to be stored in the department object. So I'm selecting the department over here. Okay, then click on next. And click on next. See, here we did not select, we did not given the field label. Once you have, once you selected the lookup relationship, it will be popping up the all the field names as well as the relationship names. Okay, click on next. Enable this checkbox. Click on next. Here observe this carefully. related list label is employees. So it means all the related list will be showing in the employee object. So I will be showing you this. Okay, then click on save. Now you can see the department field over here. Okay, and the data type is lookup here. Now what we have done till now is we just created the link between two objects, right? Now we need to link the two records. For that, go back to the our standard app. Just reload the page. Go to the employees object and click on any record. You can see no records are related, and in the departments also you can see the related list, right? The employees, the lookup relationship is existing here, but no records are linked it. So let's create that. So first move into the child object. Yes, now you can see the department field over here which we created just now. So click on pencil icon. So it is displaying all the records which are related to department object. So select any one of the record, click on save. Now before what it has shown, the related list in the departments as 0, right? Here before it was shown 0, now it is showing 1, because before we did not created any record, we did not linked any record. Now we have linked the records, that's why it is showing one record over here. Okay, let's repeat this one. So what we need to do first, we need to go to the employees object, because this is the child object where we create the lookup relationship. So go to the other record. Now we need to select the record here. Now I'm selecting IT. Click on save. Now let's move to the parent object, that is departments. Select the record. Yes, for IT department we have linked Meera Singh. That is, this employee is working in the IT department, right? I think you have understood by this example. Now let's move to the other relationship, that is master detail. Yes, let's understand first what is meant by master detail relationship. It is nothing but it is a strong connection between two objects. When the parent record controls the child record, here the child cannot exist without the parent. If the parent is deleted, the child records automatically gets deleted. Child inherits the properties of the parents. Okay, let's take the example of the employee object and the salary details object over here. Here the employee object works like a parent object and the salary details object works as the child object. Here let's understand few points over here. Each employee must and should have the salary details, right? Salary details cannot exist without an employee, right? This is the basic point. We cannot create any salary details unless we first select an employee, right? Let's see this. Open your developer org, and here we need to create the relationship in the child object, that is salary details, right? So click on it, select field and relationships, click on new, select master detail relationship, click on next, select the parent object, that is employee, then click next. You can change the field label as well as field name. By default, the field name was populated, so you can change as per your requirement. Then click on next, click on next, then save. Now you can see the master detail was created here. Till now we have linked the objects. Now let's link the records. In order to do that, go back to the standard application which we have created, that is Digital Orbit Standard. Then go to the salary details. There are no records set, so let's create one. So give the salary detail name as HR Alliance. See, since we created master detail relationship, so it is existing here. Okay, click on save. Now let's move back to employees object. Let's see whether it was created or it was linked or not. We have created salary details for this employee, right? So click on this employee and go to related. Just reload it. Yes, you can see the HR allowance is related to this particular employee. Okay, in this way we can create the master detail relationship, and we can change the lookup field to master detail also. Let's look into it. So we already created the lookup field for employees as well as departments, right? So I'm going to the employee object. Sorry, for this we need to go for fields and relationships. Select employee object. Click on fields and relationships. Then select lookup. Click on edit. Click on change field type. Select master detail relationship. click on next. Save it. Yes, now you can see the lookup is changed into master detail. In this way, you can create master detail as well as lookup relationship. Yes, this is all for this video. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, please do comment me in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.